Over 200 years ago, my enslaved ancestor made a deal with a powerful native medicine man. He would deny his love for the medicine man's daughter if he was granted the power to protect his people for generations to come. Although times have changed, this identity and these abilities still activate on the firstborn son's 25th birthday. And guess what today is?
You okay? Can I do anything? I'm suffering for you. Well, instead of you, how about that?
Famous?
Yeah.
But sometimes I feel something dark and primitive trying to claw its way out of me. That's probably nothing. Right?